If you're getting ready to launch a new membership or digital product, this is the video you want to save. I'm going to walk you through how to create a high converting landing page, the kind that actually gets people to sign up and become customers. I'll break it down step by step so you know exactly what to include and how to make it work for your business. Let's get into it. But before I jump into the first step, make sure to grab our free SEO checklist for membership sites, which I have linked in the description. It'll help make sure that your landing page is optimized so people can actually find it once it's live, because a great page is not going to be much help if no one sees it. All right, let's talk headlines. Attention spans are really short these days, so you've got one shot to make a great first impression. Your headline should instantly tell people what you're offering and why they should care. You'll want to keep it simple, clear, and include your target keyword if you're trying to boost your SEO, which you've got a checklist for now. Let me show you a few really good examples. This one's from the Co-op, the membership for online businesses ready to build something real. Achieve your goals with workouts that deliver results from with Sarah. And from the social broker, it's time to make social media work for you. So these are really clear, concise, creative headlines that really do capture people's attention right away. The next thing to focus on your landing page is your description. Right underneath the headline, give people a quick rundown of what they are signing up for. What do they get? Who is it for? What's the actual benefit? You don't need a ton of text because, again, short attention spans, but just a couple of sentences that help your audience connect the dots. So let's revisit those few examples that we just went over with the headlines. They have some really good descriptions as well. The Co-op's description is start implementing what works with less guesswork, more clarity, and a clear path to scalable, sustainable income. With Sarah's description is just 30 minutes a day, anywhere, anytime, feel the difference in 1 week. I really love this one because it gives a timeline to start achieving your goal. And then from the social broker, hers is a little bit longer, but I still really like it. It's you're a real estate agent who wants to focus on helping your clients land their dream homes. And you know a strong social media presence is one of the best ways to build relationships with your clients. But who has the time? We do, and we're here to help. So all of these are really great examples of just further emphasizing what is offered, who the membership is for, and what the benefits are. Step 3, add a clear call to action to your landing page. One of the biggest mistakes that we see business owners make is not making it really clear how to sign up for the membership or the digital product or whatever it is. Your call to action should be big, it should be bold, and most importantly, it should be obvious. You'll also want to use active and encouraging language that tells people exactly what to do. So things like try it free today, join now, start your 7-day free trial, get instant access, things like that. You'll also want to repeat call to actions a few times throughout the page because you guys know this, people skim and they scroll through pages, especially if they're on their phone. So they might miss that initial above the fold call to action. You want to have a few more throughout the page to help bring them back to what you're trying to get them to do, which is sign up. Next up, I want you to add some really great visuals to your landing page. Nobody wants to scroll through a giant wall of text. And if someone's seriously considering signing up, you'll want to help them see what they're getting. You'll need to use screenshots or video clips or mock-ups that show off your best content. So this could really be anything: a peek at your membership dashboard, a short clip of you teaching a class, a preview of your downloadable resources, or even a screenshot of a Zoom meeting that you have had with your membership community. So let me show you a few examples from those businesses that we've been looking at. So back to the Co-op membership, I really love Abigail's screenshots and graphics that she uses here. So she's got a look at the member dashboard, a little image of her teaching something, a screenshot of her Canva templates, and then even more of a look into her course library. Just lots and lots of screenshots. So you're really not guessing what you're getting access to. You know that you're going to get all of these super valuable resources. As far as with Sarah's website, also love hers. Hers is a little bit different. She's got a live video of her teaching a class, it looks like, as the main background of her landing page. She's also got some, clips of her movements and positions that she teaches in her class, things like that. So very active and engaging in that way. And then for the social broker, they've got some great, crisp, clear images of what you can expect to get access to when you sign up for their membership as well. Now you're going to want to add some social proof to your website if you have any, because people trust people way more than they trust sales pages. So if your current members or your customers love what you do, make sure that new visitors see that. Even just one strong testimonial with a name and a photo can boost conversions. So try including things like quotes from real customers, star ratings or reviews, stats like over 1,000 members and counting, logos of companies you've worked with. You get the idea. Social proof really just boosts confidence in the people that are exploring your membership and reassures visitors that they're making a good decision by signing up. And lastly, don't skip on SEO. You've built your beautiful landing page. Now we need to make sure that people can actually find it. And you don't need to be an SEO expert or anything like that. Just stick to the basics. Things like using your keyword in the headline and throughout your page, adding a clear meta title and description, using alt text for your images, things like that. And if you missed it earlier, make sure to download the free SEO checklist in our description, because it will walk you through all of the fundamentals step by step. So you don't need to worry about being an expert or anything like that, especially if this is your first time optimizing a page. All right, let's do a quick recap. To build a high converting landing page for any digital product or membership site, you need first a headline that grabs attention, a description that further explains the value, a strong, clear call to action, great visuals, real testimonials or social proof, and some basic SEO. That's your formula. Keep it clear, focused, and easy to follow, and you're setting yourself up for way more signups. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your launch.